Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know that it is Monday and I typically upload on Thursday, but this week you are getting an early upload because I wanted to upload this video on Thanksgiving. And if you are Canadian, happy Thanksgiving. Today is Canadian Thanksgiving, and I know that American Thanksgiving is later on in November, and I understand that. But I wanted to show you guys 3 different outfits, and I know that Thanksgiving is super different this year. You probably aren't even celebrating it, or maybe you're doing it virtually or like socially distant. But I wanted to show you guys 3 different outfits. I've been really into making fashion videos lately. If you haven't watched my last one, it was outfits of the week video, and I will link it in the cards above. I'm gonna keep this intro short and sweet because I know you guys all want to spend time with your family, hopefully. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel right down below. Also follow me on Instagram. It is just at Gabrielle _, and I will link all the pieces that I'm wearing in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the first Thanksgiving outfit idea I have for you guys is what I would picture people to be wearing to dinner at their grandparents' house. Not that I actually got that experience, but here I am wearing brown kind of khaki colored dress pants and a mock neck knitted kind of sweater. Both are from Aritzia, and then my black leather booties with the 70s inspired heel is by the brand Chinese Laundry, but I got them from Nordstrom Rack. I believe I got both of the pants and the sweater about a year ago, but I'm going to try to link a similar outfit down below. If I could find the exact outfit, it will also be linked down below. But yeah, this is the first Thanksgiving outfit. Moving on to Thanksgiving outfit number 2. It is definitely not appropriate for dinner at your grandparents' house. It is definitely more edgy, and my leather leggings are from Aritzia, as well as my tank top, and the jacket that I'm wearing is actually vintage. It's from my mom's closet that I stole, but I know that there are a ton of similar ones at different stores at the moment, so I'm going to link a similar one in the description box down below. But this is definitely more so for a date night, or like just like a chillax dinner, or maybe you just want to take pictures for Thanksgiving. But then again, I am wearing the black leather boots from Chinese Laundry that I got at Nordstrom Rack, and that is outfit number 2. Outfit number 3 is definitely what I would be wearing for Thanksgiving. These balloon style pants that cinch at the waist are from Zara, and my brown shirt is from Every Jewels, and I will link both of them down below. This is definitely good for all the eating that we're all going to be doing because these pants have so much room in them. It is definitely more casual. I don't really do much for Thanksgiving, so this is the perfect outfit for me. And I am also pairing my Nike Air Force Ones just to complete the super casual Thanksgiving outfit that is totally a vibe. And does this shirt not remind anyone else of like chocolate or like turkey? I don't know why, but it just reminds me of like food on Thanksgiving. But yeah, this is the 3rd and final outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and turn on my post notification bell, and I will see you guys next Thursday for another new video. Bye!